real low, you can still go.
Hi guys, welcome for another video. Welcome on my channel. I'm Ona, I got friend, she is on all my socials. I just wanted to do this video for a little catch up. What happened lately in life while speaking to you about my FAB FIT FUN box, my full box that I received a few months ago. I'm gonna tell you that immediately at the beginning of the video, because this way it won't be deceptive for some of you. The box is available in the US. FAB FIT FUN does not ship in France, not yet. But we never know. I got the summer box last May, I think. Last June I got the summer box and it was really nice. I got some really nice products. I got my full box a few weeks ago. I don't have the box with me, but the full box looks like this. How cute. Every time they have designs that are super nice. Yeah, I don't have it with me because I'm in Paris at the moment, so my box got shipped to my friend who lives in Chicago, and she came here in Paris, so she brought products that were in the box and she brought them in this bag that was also in the box. This is actually the first thing I wanted to show you. I've been using it quite a lot already. I went to the south of France with it. I wear it almost on a daily basis because I can put it on laptop, my plugs, anything to go on a day of work. This is from Alice and Olivia. I don't remember the price, but I'm gonna check. But the box contains products for a value that goes up to $300, which is super interesting. And you choose.
I haven't looked.
What's in your box. So that's the positive point. You get only things that you know that you will use, brands that you like. So select to put just beauty products in it. You get products from brands like Fenty, Low Recipe, Summer Friday. Per month, you pay not even $50. Have 4 boxes in the year. But each box contains up to $300. So I just let you do the math. This bag from Alice and Olivia is actually $90 just by itself, and it's so practical. And so my friend brought this bag with all the other products in it. What should I start with? Okay. Let's start with the Glow Recipe. It's hyaluronic serum. I've never tried the brand actually, and I've been wanting to try it for a while. I've not used it yet because I'm trying to finish my other products before using anything else. CP serum is $45. The good thing is that it's not even a travel size. This is a normal size, so that's cool. Can't wait to try it. Something I love then and that I'm wearing at the moment is the Summer Friday gloss. This is the color Vanilla Beige. It's a bit, you see, and it smells so good. And this is a full size and it costs $24. I love it. I chose this highlight palette from Cover FX, a brand I never heard about. I took it because you have 3 highlights that I've used them already. I've been using them every day. So you have this bronze, this sunlight light, and this one blossom. I'm gonna show you on my hand. Whoa, all right. This is the middle one. Whoa. And this is the bronze one. I used the bronze one. Wow. Bronze one on my cheeks. I mean, I've been using all of them actually. I'm gonna add a bit more here. Can you see? Stop, that's so cool. I'm so happy with this one. This palette worth $40. Do the math. Next, I got a pair of silver earrings. The brand is Love Age. Let me show you. They are $65. I've been wearing gold on my ears for years, so I chose something a bit different because they were also available in gold. But I was like, maybe I'm gonna go for silver for once. So that's it. And we love basic hoop that we can wear on a daily basis. So that's perfect. I'm so glad I got these. Oh yeah, I got a soap. This one, it's a hand wash and body soap, and unfortunately it was part of the things that my friend was bringing to me while traveling from Chicago to Paris, but airport they kept it because of the size, you know, the size of the liquids. Whatever, seems to be a really nice one. I was excited to try it. Last, I got Ricola. Okay, I didn't choose them. I think they arrived in my package because the last item I chose was unfortunately not available. That's okay, let's try together. So these are caramel flavor. I love caramel. Okay. So I'm gonna put the quote and all the information in the caption of the video. The code FRIENDSHE you will get 20% off your subscription. And okay, it's actually better with the record to speak to you. You will have 20% off your subscription, and your first box will be $48. And you're gonna choose the products you put in it and put up to $300 for the value of the products that will be in your box. So yeah, I'm happy to share that with you. Let me know if you get a box. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what you put in it. So my outfit today is from this brand called Whiskey. And I just love it because these are shorts. Like, this is what I would wear to go to a tennis class, but I don't have tennis class. I wish I had. So about life lately, so I'm gonna speak about that in another video. I have to edit it. I have all the content, all the videos in my phone, but I just have to work on it. So I'm gonna do a video for... Why am I not organized when I share my ideas? I was gonna say I froze my eggs. So yesterday morning I was at the hospital to do the procedure after 12 days of injections. So I did the procedure yesterday morning. Today is the morning after. I feel perfectly fine. Also, this is the second time I did it. I did the first time in February, but I absolutely didn't share anything about that on social media in February. This time I want to share because I think that women don't really know that this is an option for them to freeze their eggs just in case for the day when they try to have kids. Like, sometimes it's difficult to get pregnant and you just don't know why. And before going to the adoption, you have this as an option to try the FIV, fécondation in vitro, IVF. Yeah, IVF in English. Just do this on, just in case. I'm not in a relationship. I don't want to be a single mom. I know I won't do an IVF alone. Okay, so yeah, one day I meet someone and we decide to have a child together, and for some reason it's difficult for me to get pregnant, then we can do the IVF. So yeah, so whatever. I'm gonna speak about this subject in this other video. I have to work on it this week. Also, it's Fashion Week here in Paris at the moment, so because I work as a photographer, I have lots of things going on for photo shoots, for street styles especially. So I share this content on Frenchies, but also I'm on my photography account, Onaiza. So come give some love. And if you're in Paris and want to do a photo shoot together, contact me. This week I will have to take care of my friend's dog because she's gonna work on a showroom the whole week, like for 10 days in a row. Her dog, like, she's so cute. She's a tiny baby. It's her. Her name is Nighty, and she can't, I mean, it's not good for her to stay alone at home the whole day. So just every day between 12 and 3 p.m. I'm just gonna take her for a little walk and give her some kisses. Because I'm super flexible as I work freelance, so it's easy for me just to go there. Give kisses to the baby. I love dogs. Like, if you don't know it yet, yeah, I love dogs. Right, I'm at my friend's place because I spent the first night after the procedure of the eggs breathing. The advice to spend the first night with someone and not to be alone, just in case you have a fever or an infection or anything. So I'm at my friend's place, so I'm just gonna pack my stuff and I'm gonna go back home. And tonight is the Isabelle Marant fashion show. Maybe I will go take some pictures about the street styles, but I'm not booked for this show, so that's okay. I could also just have a rest. Thanks for being here, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. I love creating on YouTube. Come on Instagram, please. Yeah. Oh, also I have a FaceTime date later, so we'll see. We were speaking. He's super cute, super handsome. He's funny. He's not based in Paris. He's abroad. So, and I've been in so many, not even relationships, but I've been speaking with so many people during these last years. You speak for a month, for 2 months, and then you meet, and for nothing, because actually in real life you just don't like the person or whatever. So, and yeah, it's just because I don't know why, don't ask me why, but most of the time when I speak with people, these are people that don't live in Paris and don't even live in France. I don't like dating French men. That's it. It's like this. And yeah, so I have this date tonight because I told him, like, we were chatting last night on WhatsApp and I was like, would you like to do a FaceTime sometime? And I was like, yeah, sure, why not? So this way it's done. And you know, and I don't know, then you feel immediately if you like someone, if you don't like someone, even just to be friends, you know, if you want to keep in touch with somebody or not. So yeah, thanks for watching my videos. Don't hesitate to ask me questions if needed, and all the info are under the video. Bye, love you.